The Algorand digital money is the new age blockchain network. The innovation is now called Blockchain 3.0. The explanation is that it takes care of the most squeezing issues of Bitcoin's versatility while keeping up with security and decentralization. It is expected that this new advanced organization will work on the proficiency of the standard monetary framework, and its convention will work with the smooth course of monetary standards. Algorand is a decentralized and open blockchain framework, the fundamental objective of which is to make a blockchain stage open to everybody, growing the capacities of clients. The principal elements of the ALGO stage are high throughput and moment obviousness, which give brilliant straightforwardness. Because of this, clients can rapidly and efficiently move ALGO digital currency. Algorand works on verification of stake, an agreement calculation through which holders get prizes by just holding digital money in their wallets or trade adjusts. The Algorand network has its local authority token. For its underlying dispersion, the IEO of the Binance trade was utilized. Tokens were dispersed through a Dutch sale in light of the fact that the makers were persuaded that the market members ought to decide the coin's worth. Dutch sale implies that costs are brought in diving request as opposed to climbing one. We should investigate the primary elements of the Algorand stage. A decentralized economy. Decentralization is of fundamental significance for organizations and all shoppers of labor and products. As the economy turns out to be more computerized, consistent, and straightforward, organizations need to utilize advances that suggest decentralization to try not to lose their essential significance and endeavor to safeguard potential. Security and versatility. The convention ensures a high installment handling speed contrasted with customary monetary frameworks. Full fulfillment of the exchange. It is an imaginative advancement of Algorand. Blockchain gives moment and unrestricted finishing of exchanges without spreading. Other blockchains experience the ill effects of vulnerability and absence of conditional uprightness, and here this issue is settled. The utilization of logical examination and powerful colleagues. Algorand helps out demonstrated business pioneers working in widely acclaimed organizations. Algorand value examination. Prior to settling on any speculation choices, doing some sort of preliminary work is fundamental. In this way, you ought to do your own exploration and examine the value history to find repeating examples and pointers so the worth of your speculations wouldn't plunge. As indicated by the Algorand cost expectations, this advanced cash might develop soon. What's more, numerous crypto specialists decidedly evaluate the fate of a LGO, and we trust that over the long haul and with appropriate turn of events, the cost of Algorand will proceed with its development pattern. Algorand genuine cost. As of October 18th, the Algorand cost today is $1.73. The cost has changed by 8 cents as of now. Algorand has altogether 10 billion ALGO tokens available for use. The record-breaking most noteworthy ALGO cost is $3.67. The least enrolled cost of a LGO is 9 cents. In the event that you intend to purchase Algorand coins, the best and most secure spot for it is a worldwide digital money trade Changelly. At our foundation for moment crypto coins buy, best rates, productive exchanging offers by our fiat to crypto exchanging accomplices, and expert client service are ensured to you. Market forecasts. Coin arbitrage bot specialists accept that Algorand is a promising cryptographic money that might show new pinnacles. In the long haul, ALGO might end up being a wise speculation. In 2022, the ALGO cost may be $1.26. As per the wallet investor's Algorand cost expectation, it tends to be a productive venture and might be exchanged for $2.02 toward the finish of 2021 and $6.74 toward the finish of 2025. As guaranteed by digital coin price, ALGO's typical expense in the cryptographic money market could be $2.20 toward the finish of 2021 and $4.36 by 2025. Long forecast experts anticipate that the Algorand cost might reach $3.61 minus $4.48 toward the finish of 2021 and $7.89 minus $9.79 by the center of 2025. Algorand value forecast 2022. As per the specialized examination of Algorand costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Algorand will be 25 cents. The greatest level that the ALGO cost can reach is 27 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 26 cents. ALGO value conjecture for November 2022. In light of the value vacillations of Algorand toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical ALGO pace of 25 cents in November 2022. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at 22 cents and at 26 cents. Separately, December 2022, Algorand value gauge. Digital currency specialists are prepared to report their conjecture for the ALGO cost in December 2022. The base exchanging cost may be 25 cents, while the most extreme could reach 27 cents during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Algorand may be around 26 cents. Algorand Value Forecast 2023. After the examination of the costs of Algorand in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Algorand will be around 36 cents. The greatest expected ALGO cost might be around 44 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost may be 37 cents in 2023. Algorand Value Forecast 2024. In view of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Algorand, in 2024, ALGO is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about 54 cents and 62 cents, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is 55 cents. Algorand Value Expectation 2025. The specialists in the field of digital money have examined the costs of Algorand and their changes during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base ALGO cost could drop to 76 cents, while its greatest can reach 94 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around 78 cents. Algorand Value Forecast 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of Algorand by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least ALGO costs are normal in 2026, $1.36 and $1.12. By and large, it will be exchanged at $1.16. Algorand Value Expectation 2027. Crypto specialists are continually breaking down the changes of Algorand. In light of their expectations, the assessed typical ALGO cost will be around $1.67. It could drop to at least $1.62. Yet it actually could reach $1.96 all through 2027. Algorand Value Forecast 2028. Consistently, digital currency specialists get ready conjectures at the cost of Algorand. It is assessed that LGO will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $2.35 and $2.86 in 2028. Its typical expense is normal at around $2.43 during the year. Algorand Value Forecast 2029. Digital currency investigators are prepared to report their assessments of the Algorand's cost. The year 2029 not entirely settled by the most extreme ALGO cost of $4.09. Notwithstanding, its rate could drop to around $3.37. In this way, the normal typical exchanging cost is $3.47. Algorand Value Expectation 2030. Following quite a while of examination of the Algorand cost, crypto specialists are prepared to give their ALGO cost assessment to 2030. It will be exchanged for something like $4.82, with the conceivable most extreme tops at $5.82. By and large, you can anticipate that the ALGO cost should be around $4.99 in 2030. Algorand Value Forecast 2031. Digital currency investigators are prepared to declare their assessments of the Algorand's cost. The year 2031 not entirely settled by the most extreme ALGO cost of $8.46. Notwithstanding, its rate could drop to around $7.22. All in all, the normal typical exchanging costs $7.46